Imagine creating a lifelike talking avatar that moves, gestures, and speaks using just one photo and a few smart prompts. An AI avatar that shows up for you every time you need it, whether you're recording a video, presenting online, or building a brand. I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI avatar, one that speaks, moves, and represents your brand consistently. Whether you are starting a YouTube channel, launching a digital course, or just want a virtual face for your brand, this is one of the easiest way to stand out while staying behind the scenes. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills to pull this off. Now, here is what we're going to do together step by step. Number one, we'll create an AI avatar together, we'll animate the avatar together, and we'll sync the voice to the animated avatar. Do not skip any part of this tutorial to get the best out of it. And we're going to do all this using one single tool. So let's jump straight into it. Step number one is creating your own AI avatar image. To do that, let's open Pollo AI, for this is the tool that we're going to use for this entire process. Now, Pollo AI is an all-in-one platform you can use to generate AI videos, AI images, AI avatars, AI shorts, and AI effects. You can also do other things like lip sync, video upscaler, video subtitle remover, and video background remover, which can be so handy if you'd love to change a video background. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can easily get access to it. It also has leading AI models for both video and image generation like a Video Q2, 1.2.5, and Kling 2.5. Now, to create our avatar image, what we want to do is select Create AI Image. When this interface opens up, we can create our image from text, or our image from image, or inspiration by checking in what other people have already created within Pollo AI. As you can see, there are tons of generation happening from other creators, and you can filter this by trending, new, or most liked image. And when you hover your mouse on the image you're inspired by, you can see the create similar image button appear. That's if you would love to create the exact same image, but we'll stick to text to image. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to select a model we're going to create our image in. They've got Pollo Image 1.6, Google Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, Midjourney, Flax Dev, and other leading AI image generating models. I will go for Seedream 4.0. Then here we need to paste in a detailed prompt that describes the type of an avatar we would love to create. I have this prompt that I specifically prepared for this tutorial. I'll leave it in the video description below so that you can get access to it and tweak it to your preference and create your own avatar. I'll paste my prompt there. It says a cinematic 3D rendered stylized male character standing in a minimalist YouTube studio facing the camera with a warm, friendly smile. He has a medium dark skin and neat short afro twist fade, expressive brown eyes, and wears a plain black t-shirt, black trousers, and clean black sneakers. Once we are done, we need to select a style of our character. They've got all these different options to choose from. Take your time and pick a style that perfectly suits your brand or what you want to start creating. As for me, I'll go for 3D render. Once selected, select the aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9, and from there select the number of images. I'll go for 2 for this tutorial's sake, and as you can see, it will cost 6 credits. From there, I hit create. Now, here is a pro tip that I have for you. Try out different models and different styles and see which one generates the best results for you. Some image generating models works well with specific styles. I tried out different models and these were the results. These are the results I got from Pollo Image 1.6. This is what we got in Midjourney, and this is what we got from Google Nano Banana. Let me know in the comment section below which one generated the best AI avatar for you. You can use the same process we are using to create a 3D cartoon avatar, an anime avatar, or a realistic avatar. I love this avatar and we're going to use it for this tutorial's demonstration. There are a couple of options that you can do here to edit your avatar. You can remove the background, upscale your avatar, or remove some objects. That's if you want to, but I love how everything looks. All I have to do is upscale this image. I'll select 2x, leave the model as is, and hit upscale. Once our video is upscaled, let's download it to save it into our PC. Just click on these 3 dots and you'll see the download button here and select download without watermark. Once the photo is downloaded, what you want to do is click on select avatar. From here, select my avatar, and here select create my avatar, and here select photo to avatar, and here upload the photo of the avatar you've just created. Select the aspect ratio. I'll go for the original aspect ratio and hit OK. Once your avatar is uploaded, give it a name. I'll call it my avatar, and you can select a specific voice for your avatar. Play around these voices and choose a specific voice for your avatar. That's if you want it to have this specific voice. If you're happy with how everything looks, you hit save. Now you'll find your avatar here. Each and every time you want to create your video, you can simply select your avatar and you'll see it uploaded here with the specific voice that you chose. Now, once we create our avatar, it's time to animate it in different positions. Now, to animate our avatar, we can simply hover our mouse and click on AI avatar, and it will bring us to this page. Or maybe you had already created an avatar using a different platform. All you have to do is click on generate AI avatar, and it will land you to the same page where you need to upload your AI avatar. Once the image of your avatar is uploaded, what you simply have to do is either type in a script here and select a voiceover from the inbuilt voices in Pollo AI, or we can upload our own specific audio. I'll just click on upload to upload the audio file that I just created. And you can crop it out, that's if you want to, but I'll just click on confirm. Now, when we open the advanced mode here, you can see to say you can create up to 2 minutes of video with your avatar. I'll select longer mode, and you'll see this prompt button open up. This is where you describe exactly how the avatar is performing in your video. Here I will say my avatar is talking with simple hand gestures. Scroll down and leave the resolution to 720p, leave the public visibility off and the copy protection on, and hit create. And here is our avatar ready and running. Let me play it for you to see how it looks.
If you have reached this far, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss our next tutorial.
This is just so amazing. You've heard it for yourself. If you've reached this far, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You can regenerate the video, you can upscale it, and you can also add some sounds. That's if you want to. I'll just upscale it, leave the model just like the way it is, and I'll cancel the public visibility, and I'll turn on the copy protection and hit create. And this is how clean the video would look after being upscaled, and we'll see some mouthing on the mouth disappear after upscaling the video.
If you have reached this far, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss our next tutorial.
You can also try out AI avatars that are built by other creators inside Pollo AI. They are public for public use.
Just like I did with this avatar. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.
Thank you Pollo AI for sponsoring this video. From here, God bless you.